Did you know that there are over $650 billion that are spent by the US government on an annual basis on R&D in both academic labs as well as small businesses and startups? Hi, my name is Rupak Doshi. I'm the co-founder and CEO of OmniSync, and our product Turbo SPIR is solving the problem of increasing the access to this money for any and everyone in the US, including corporates as well as academics. We make the process easy and manageable using modern day software to overcome the challenges that legacy systems on the government side pose for some of the lesser experienced applicants. So the go-to-market strategy for our company relies on channel partners such as incubators, accelerators, IP law firms, government stakeholders, contractors, everyone who essentially deals with these startups, small businesses, as well as professors who have this underlying problem of applying to a large number of these grants and contracts. And so they refer customers to us because we're able to help them in a way that otherwise isn't possible for them to get the help for. And that kind of increases their value to their customers as well, because they were able to help them find a resource that they would otherwise not have access to. So our business strategy is to essentially form our core team in the US and then have some of the work outsourced abroad so that the economics work out. So we have a full team of co-founders as well as software developers in the US, and we have developers in India as well who we work pretty routinely with. And I would also like to mention that we are a startup that came out of Launch Factory, which is a startup studio in San Diego, which was formed by a former entrepreneur who sold his company to Google. And so this is his next thing. So we have had a product in the market for almost a year now, all of 2020, and that product has seen incredible traction. We've grown at over 10% week over week throughout this year. And despite the COVID pandemic, in fact, the pandemic has all but helped our company because more and more people have been applying for government funding, and the government has been raising, money, that spending more money in R&D. And we've created very strong partnerships with all our channel partners, like I mentioned, who are responsible for sending us a lot of customers. And so we're at a stage where now we can scale really well and build more features that can get even more customers and even more loyalty from our customers over the next few years. So the space that we're in is actually wide open because, as I mentioned, more and more, of these government agencies rely on really ancient legacy systems that operate on old software that, frankly, is alien to the current generation of entrepreneurs and professors. And so, not any single company has really managed to create modern day software for the space. And so the competitive landscape is actually wide open. There are some small business contracting software that help build out automatable search databases for finding new opportunities, which we've done as well. But in terms of proposal preparation tools in a highly collaborative environment as a productivity offering, we're actually the first. We have the first movers advantage and believe that we will be there for a while. And because of that, we have really created a lot of very close partnerships with some mid-market players who we believe are the strongest, potential acquirers of our company, because what we're doing is creating a very loyal and strong customer base, which then becomes a high-value, LTV potential for any of these mid-market players. And we've already had close ties with the senior execs from those companies. And so this company was absolutely built with a plan to get bought out in the 5-year period as an exit strategy. So, thank you very much.